Welcome to my poster on curved six fingers. A recent illusion induces the feeling of having a six finger on one's hand. Recently, we tested whether the six finger was represented independently with different features from the actual fingers and successfully induced the six finger with varied lengths. As we developed throughout childhood, flexibility in mental representation of body part length is useful for an accurate and adaptive representation of our growing bodies. Body shape, however, is more stable throughout our developments and thus may be less susceptible to alteration. In this study, we investigated whether shape is flexible in the mental representation of our bodies. We tested whether we can embody a six finger with a different shape from our own fingers, inducing a six finger which curves laterally though 180 degrees. So as you can see in the methods, we use the same six finger method, stroking each finger synchronously back and forth from the knuckle to the fingertip. And on the last stroke, which is a total of 20 continuous strokes, we induced a curved six finger with this 180 degrees shape. And we also induced a normal straight six finger. Then we asked participants how they rated their experience, asking, it felt like I had six fingers on my left hand, it felt like I had a curved six finger, it felt like I had a straight six finger, or it felt like I had a six finger with a shape that is different from my actual fingers. And participants rated their experience of the six finger and the little finger, and then we compared. And we also compared with the condition of inducing a straight finger. We also asked participants to rate, to use a visual judgment task in which we presented a set of 7 fingers with different curvature angles and asked participants to report which finger did it match their experience of the six finger and the little finger. And as you can see on these plots, participants in the curved condition felt a finger with a mean of 182 degrees curvature, and in the straight condition, there was no significant difference between the six finger and the little finger, whereas in the curved condition, the six finger was felt more curved than the little finger. And this is at the same time. So at the same time as participants felt a straight little finger, they felt a curved six finger next to that finger. So overall, we can feel a curved six finger with a different shape from the little finger. We can feel a six finger that violates the biomechanical constraints of our fingers. So instead of having a straight finger with these knuckles, with a lateral curvature, it would have a totally different mechanics. The six finger was perceived 101% more curved when compared to a straight finger. And finally, the actual and the supernumerary fingers can be perceived with different shapes simultaneously. So at the same time as participants felt a straight finger, we can feel an extra finger, a six finger, with a curved shape. Thank you for watching.